Hi, my name is Yousef Yacoub, and I've led many global software engineering teams in the Valley. Over a year, I have been challenged with helping groups scale their performance and innovation to the next plateau. What I want to share with you is the approach I have developed to help teams better perform, assuming you have started a new role or you're asked to lead a new team. Keeping in mind what about to share trends toward art and some science. As a leader, you will need to adjust the suggested approach based on your own knowledge and understanding of the business, the vision of the company, the team, and your customer's pain point. I will start with the discovery phase. In this phase, you should always start with making sure that you are completely in the listening mode. You'll need to have a clear picture of what you have inherited when you got this new team. Discuss with all of your stakeholders where they want your team to get to, including the vision of the company, the market you are addressing, the target customers, and the current concerns. Fully understand your current offering and the shortfalls. Identify the key current innovation and differentiation of your product offering. Evaluate your current team skill set and identify the skill gap required to deliver and move the team to the next plateau. Understanding the organizational culture and the dynamic and know who is critical in this phase. In the planning phase, which is the next phase, make sure during this phase to get clarity on what you are going to deliver. You have to have a project plan. The success criteria needs to hit the deliverable. You have to clearly understand all the KPI and resource planning. After that, work with your key stakeholders to identify the product requirements to clearly make sure that your team have clarity of what they need to deliver. Identify what additional innovation you'll need to develop or software component that you'll need to use as additional software component that you'll need to use. Lead operational review for all the sprints required. Review the project plan with your stakeholder and get their support and approval before any development is made. Form the Scrum teams to address execution and delivery of the ops planning. Now, the next phase is about execution. Now you got the plan, you understand where you need to go. Make sure you are using best practice of software development lifecycle process to track the progress of the team and regularly communicate the progress or lack of. It's okay to make sure that when you have misstep or mistake or you need more time or more clarity, communicate that on a regular basis with your stakeholders. With that in mind, you're going to be delivering. You're going to make sure that you are hitting your milestone, hitting your success criteria. And last phase that I suggest you always do after you complete your project is what I call the retrospective phase. Make sure you reflect on what you have delivered with your team and understand what you have learned to improve for the future development projects. That is a key part of your learning cycles in your development. With that, I'll leave you with those thoughts that I've developed over the years, and you've learned something in the process. Thank you very much.